everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll quickly show you how to add TradingView Widget. First, go to TradingView's widget page. Here you'll find different widget options to add dynamic, real-time financial information to your website. You can choose from tools like the Advanced Chart widget, which gives a full interactive chart, or simpler options such as the mini chart and single ticker for a quick price display. Other useful widgets include the ticker tape for a scrolling price bar, watch list, market overview, economic calendar, heat map, and even a crypto map. Once you decide which widget fits your needs, head to the widget directory under TradingView's products section. Select the widget you want and begin customizing it. You can set the symbol to display relevant instruments, adjust the interval for timeframes, pick between light or dark themes, resize the widget, and choose whether to show toolbars or legends. After customizing, copy the auto-generated script snippet. Open your website's HTML file. Paste the snippet where you want the widget to appear, save the changes, and refresh your page to see it live. So, that's basically how you can add a TradingView widget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.